Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV streamer 4K device to laptop and record movies and shows. See, here you can see I have connected this Google TV streamer 4K device to laptop. I will show you how we can set up this and how we can record movies and shows. See, this is a Google TV streamer 4K device. Here I have connected this USB power cable. Let me connect this HDMI cable to this HDMI output port. Okay, done. Let me take other end of this HDMI cable. This end I am going to connect to laptop. See, here I will be using this video capture unit. This is Pibox video capture unit. Let me connect this video capture unit to this HDMI cable. Okay, done. After that, let me connect this video capture unit to laptop. Let me connect to laptop. Okay, done. Then in laptop we need to install this software OBS Studio. You can download from here for Windows. I already installed this software. Let me open. See, this is a OBS Studio. Here we need to create one source. Here you can see sources section. Click on this plus icon over here. From this list, select video capture device. If you want to rename, you can rename here. Then click on OK. Then click on this device drop down. From this list, select USB 3.0 capture. Then select OK. Done. So now you are seeing one black screen. Don't worry, take a remote, press any button. See. So now we can see content from this Google TV streamer 4K device in this OBS Studio. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can right click here. Select this option, windowed projector preview. See. Let me close this. Next I will show you how we can record movie or show. Here you can see start recording button on the right side. Click on that. See, recording has been started. Here you can see recording started. Now let me take remote. Let me do some action here. So you can open movie or show. It will record. After that, if you want to stop, you can click on this stop recording. Done. Then go to this path. Under videos folder, you can find that recorded video. So let me open. See. So this way we can connect Google TV streamer 4K device to laptop and record video. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.